Alright guys, so I just wanted to notify you guys. I know yesterday I posted a video on the cylinder, the power valve and stuff, the Kx250. And that was filmed yesterday, or a couple days ago, but whatever. So here is the KX looking just like it used to. It is all finished. I have done everything to it that I know of. Haven't found any parts laying around that I didn't put on it. No bolts, no screws that I know of quite yet, and hopefully there isn't any. Went over everything pretty good. I just filled her up with coolant, just because I want to know if there's any leaks between my cylinder head or my cylinder bottom. Just because I don't really want... I'd rather know it now and fix it, and not wait till spring and then notice a leak and have to take the whole bike apart again. But it's not leaking so far. It's been filled up for about 15 minutes. I've been checking every now and then, and it seems to be fine. I torqued everything right, besides a couple of bolts, so I just kind of felt it by hand because I didn't have an open face torque wrench. So, yeah, we'll just go over, what it looks like. As you've seen in my last videos, the compression sucked. Look at this. Like it's got a lot of compression. I don't have a compression tester, but I do have my hand, and I used to be able to push it over with 2 fingers. That's not gonna happen anymore, so that's great. Got her all lubed up. I have not started it yet. I probably won't till spring because I want to break it in right, and So got the carb all hooked up. Electrics thingy for the carb hooked up. Everything's hooked up alright. The suspension is bouncier than ever because it's been sitting on a stand for like 4 months. Look at this. Okay, you probably can't see it on camera, but anyway, it's been sitting on a stand, so the back suspension is bouncy. Front suspension's fairly stiff like usual. But it seems to be looking good. Some of my friends at school haven't seen this bike perfectly put together and the graphics and stuff, so here it is. So pretty cool. Also what I did, I just took these little guys off, these little brake line holder things, and I painted them green just like this, and my other caliper guard up here. I just thought that'd look kind of cool. And oh yeah, I also painted this thing, this little other brake line holder. So yeah, nothing new about the bike besides those little tiny things. I'll go over all the parts that I put on it. So I put in a new, this is the top end. I only did the top end. So new needle bearing, new piston, new piston, not rod, new piston, maybe a piston rod, I don't know. It's the thing the thing goes through the piston, connects it to the rod. And new circlips for that. Put in new bushings and seals for the power valve. And new exhaust seals there and by the engine. That's about it. I took this off and I greased that bearing so she's nice and... Oh, it's not on a stand. I'm so used to be able to turn this. But anyway, it's nice and loose. So I greased that bearing. That's the only bearing I greased. I should probably do the linkage since I've never done it. But yeah, that's it. That's about all I did. As if you're my friends at school watching, obviously it's a Red Bull themed bike. Usually Red Bull only does KTM, but I bought this kit. I don't even know where I found it. I don't even remember. But yeah, Red Bull. I also got this little can over the over the fork or the shock reservoir. So there you go. If you guys liked the video, give a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, if you want to support the channel, subscribe please, and I will see you guys in the next video. Pretty pumped about this bike, how it turned out, and I will see you guys in the next video, and till then, have a great day.